Hi guys, welcome to my channel RedDK. Here you can see MaxScripts technology is hiring for the role software engineer front end back end, and the location వచ్చేసి Nagpur, India. Qualification is graduation, BE or MCA. Freshers can also apply. Experience 0 to 2 years. Here they have provided mail, that is info@the maxscriptstechnologies.com, and also PPN Solutions is hiring for the role business analyst and technical analyst, and the skills వచ్చేసి python, node.js, and the job location Hyderabad, India. Qualification BTech, MTech or BCA or MCA freshers. Here they also provided mail. You can send your resume via mail, that is pooja@ppnsolutions.com. This is one of the very good opportunities. You can apply. I will mention the link in the description. Thank you.